Hello, and welcome to my channel. I'm Shell from Shell's Creative Designs. In today's video, we're going to talk about how we use Dollar Tree's faux leather vinyl as substitute flock. Say what? Yes. So Dollar Tree's vinyl can be used as flock. How do I use it, you say? Well, when creating my design in Silhouette Studio, I choose whatever stone design. If I'm going to do 10SS, 6XS, whatever, when I'm doing my design. I save it as an SVG file. I'll pull it over into Cricut Design Space. And when I pull it up, sometimes the design is not together, sometimes it is. And with this design in particular, I just had to weld it. Once I pulled it up, everything was grouped together like it was supposed to be. I didn't have to do any kind of finagling with it. And I used the faux leather paper thin setting on Cricut. I do use a Maker 3. So I'm not sure about what setting you would use if you were using something different. But I know on the Maker 3, I used the faux leather thin paper setting to cut my rhinestones, and then I use Dollar Tree's double-sided tape to adhere it to the surface that I'm going to put the design into. And I actually use a canvas with a piece of acetate in the inside, and I just line it with hot glue to ensure the stones don't get lost. And that's my good flat surface. And as you can see, this is the design that we're cutting today. Everything cut wonderfully with the flock. Well, it's not flock, with the faux leather, excuse me. But that is just to show you how well Dollar Tree's faux leather cuts rhinestone designs. And I like to use this double-sided tape just to make sure that I have the design laid down pretty flat and I don't lose any stones in the process. That's really all. The reason for using that, you don't have to use that. That's just my way of keeping the design in place and ensuring that all my stones are laid correctly. And you will see that in the next clip, how easily they slide in whenever you have it laid down properly. So that is today's hack. We're going to be using Dollar Tree faux leather to create a bling design. So let's get to blinging. Thank you guys for joining, and I hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have any questions, post your comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope that you guys enjoy. Thanks. This is a rhinestone transfer sheet. I would not recommend that you try anything else with trying to pick up rhinestones. I have messed up quite a few designs trying to be cheap. So I purchased this off of Amazon, and it was called Rhinestone Hot Fix transfer tape. And so it works pretty well. Much better than all the other things I attempted that did not work out. Some of the stones moved. And that's because I'm using a canvas. As you can see, I took a canvas and I hot glued inside the edges to keep the stones from going inside. And then what I do is I just tape down the piece of faux leather from Dollar Tree and slide my rhinestones in, as you saw before. So let's hope everything transferred. Looks like everything is picked up. I'm really more concerned about the T than any other letter. Hold on, look. All right. That T. That's what I was more concerned about, because it didn't seem like it was laid down flat enough onto the canvas. But it worked. Because flock is expensive, so that's the whole purpose. Yikes. Let's get that one stone we just left. All right. We're going to get ready to... Get ready to go to the heat press. As you can see. And get her dry. Okay, so now I'm going to press my rhinestones onto my sweatshirt. This is a athletics brand from Walmart sweatshirt. I'm going to go ahead and pre-press it for a moment just to make sure I get all the moisture out of it before the initial press. And the instructions say to press at 335 degrees for 15 seconds for size 10 SS rhinestones, and that's what we are using. So now that I've got that pre-pressed, I've already got a piece of tape, heat tape here at the top, and that kind of helps me with finding my center after I have pre-pressed it to take out moisture. So I need to get my T-square so that we can go ahead and finish this off. I'm trying to figure out where I put that. And it's usually over here near my heat press. Ah, there we go. So I'm going to use it to mark my center. We got 3 inches right here. Pull that up to the top of that collar. Then let's see. Okay, 3 inches is here. I'm going to pull it up a little bit further. I think that's a little too far down. And let's see. I'm going to do it about right here. Yikes. Move. All right. So let me get my Teflon sheet, and we're going to press. I have my press set at 340 and at 20 seconds rather than the suggested time. And the only reason why I increased everything is because I have a cheaper heat press. And just to ensure that everything is adhered properly, I just take it up 5 degrees in 5 seconds. So let's see. All right. So it is done. Ooh, it looks so good. I love this color. I got it from Rhinestone World. I want to participate in the buy-in from the baby's booty. I'm going to do that sometime soon, but for right now, this is what we have. It looks great. See how it sparkles? Woo. And you pride. I'm in love.